Hello everyone, my name is Sarvapalli Ramprasad. Today we are going to discuss the LeetCode daily challenge problem, which is kth largest element in a stream. Let me just quickly go through the problem statement, guys. Design a class to find the kth largest element in a stream. Note that it is the kth largest element in the sorted order, not the kth distinct element. What actually these lines are saying us? It is saying us to design a class to find the kth largest element. Okay, and also implement kth largest class. Kth largest class, what actually kth largest class contains, the parameters are like k and int array nums. Okay, we have to initialize the object with integer k and the stream of integers. Okay, in this particular class, this is actually the constructor. We have to initialize the object and with k and array nums. Now int add int value appends the integer value to the stream. Okay, we have to add values to the nums and return the element represent the kth largest element in the stream. Okay, we have to return the kth largest element in the stream. Let's just look at this example, guys. Here, when we call this kth largest, what actually this will do, this will initialize the k value and array of nums. After this, we call add. What actually add will do? Add will add 3 to this nums and return the kth largest element in it. So let me just quickly go to the blackboard and explain what actually the question asking us to do. Okay, this is our example, guys. Here here look at this kth largest function. When we call this kth largest, actually what actually it will do, it will initializes the object with k and array of nums. I will write k value here. K equal to 3, nums equal to 4, 5, 8 and 2. These are our initial array values. After this, we have add function. What actually this add function does, this will add 3 to our array and returns the kth largest element. What is the k here? 3. So it will returns the third largest in that particular array. Okay, let me just quickly add these 3 to this nums of array and just see what is the kth largest element in that. Okay, here our array is like 4, 5, 8, 2, 3. Now I have added 3 also. Now let me just quickly go through this array and find the kth largest in it. The first largest is 8. The second largest is 5. The third largest is 3 here. So we have to return 3 here. Sorry, 4 here. And now we are adding 5 to the array. Now the array looks like this: 4, 5, 8, 2, 3, 5. Okay, now we have to find the kth largest in it. The first largest is 8, second is 5, and the third is also 5. So we have to return 5 here. Now we are adding 10, 4, 5, 8, 2, 3, 5, 10. The first largest is 10, second largest is 8, and the third largest is 5 here. So we have to return 5 here. Look at this, look at this. First we are returning 4, then we are returning 5, then we are returning 5. And after adding 9, the array looks like this: 4, 5, 8, 2, 3, 5, 10, 9. So in this, the first, okay, in this, the first largest is 10. The second largest is, okay, we are not added 9. Okay, we are adding 9. Now the first largest is 10, the second largest is 9, the third largest is 8 here. So we have to return 8 here. Okay, we are returning 8. So look at this, we are returning 8 after adding 9. Now we are adding 4. So the array looks like this: 4, 5, 8, 2, 3, 5, 10, 9, and 4. So the first largest is 10, second largest is 8, and the third largest is, sorry, second largest is 9, the third largest is 8. So we have to return 8 here. So this is what actually we have to return. This is what actually the question asking us to do. So how we can actually approach this question? Okay, we can approach this by using priority queue. Let me just quickly go through the priority queue, and I will explain how actually the priority queue works. Okay, this is our example given. So this is our priority queue. Now, first we are calling kth largest. What actually this kth largest is doing here? This is just initializing our k and our initial array nums of. Okay, let me just go through this function. This is our kth largest function pseudocode. Okay, kth largest pseudocode. Pseudocode. Okay, in this, what actually we are doing first, we are iterating over this array and adding all of them into the priority queue, and we are checking if the priority queue dot size greater than k, we are just removing that value. Okay, I'll just explain you. I'll go through every element of our array nums here. Okay, first we are adding 4 to it. Okay, we are added 4 to it. Now our second number is 5. We are adding 5 to it. What actually the priority queue do here? Here priority queue checks which is the minimum in this. Okay, by looking at this we can say that 4 is our minimum. So priority queue always puts the small element on top. So what actually I'm doing, I'm putting our 4 is on top, then we are adding 8 to it. Okay, now priority queue compares these two values and put the minimum element on top. So the minimum of 4 and 8 is 4, so 4 is on top. Now we are at 2 now, so we are adding 2 to it. Now the minimum of these 2 and 4 is like 2, so 4 comes in and 2 goes on top. So okay, here what actually it is, 2, it is 4 now. Now we encounter that pq dot size greater than k. What actually kth value? 3. So here the priority q dot size is 4. So we have to remove the top value here. So I'm removing top value here. So now it will compares all values and put the smallest value on top. Okay, here 4 is smallest value, so 4 is on top now. Okay, here our kth largest function completes. Now I'm writing the pseudocode for adding every element to the priority queue and returning the kth largest element. Okay, I'll just copy this. Just select and copy this. We'll see. Yes, this is our add pseudocode. Okay, add pseudocode. Okay, here when we call the function add, it will first add number, that is value 3 to the priority queue. Okay, I'm adding 3 to it, and the priority queue compares this 3 with this 4. Now 3 is on top. Okay, 3 is on top now, and 4 comes in. 4 is in, but here priority q dot size is greater than k, so I have to remove the top element here. Okay, I'm removing it, and the smallest of these three elements is like 4, and we have to return the kth largest here. So the kth largest, this is the third largest here, so I have to return these 4. Okay, I'm just writing output here. Output equal to, first we are returning 4 here, so here we have to write this also, return pq dot peak. Okay, we are returning peak value here, that is 4. Now we are done with adding 3. Now we are adding 5 to it. Okay, I'm adding 5 to it, and the priority queue compares 4 and 5. The minimum of this is 4, but here priority queue dot size is greater than k, so I have to remove the topmost value. So I'm removing 4, and I'm putting minimum value, that is 5, on top now. Okay, putting 5 on top. 5 is on top, so the kth largest is here is 5. After adding 5 to it, okay, I'm returning 5 to it. I'm returning peak dot peak. Okay, now we are adding 10. So I'm adding 10. The smallest of 10 and 5 is 5. Okay, now the pq dot size is greater than k, and I'm removing this 5, and the minimum value of this priority queue is like 5, so I'm putting 5 on top now. Okay, 5 is on top, and I'm returning pq dot peak here, that is 5. Now we are adding 9 to it. So I'm adding 9. I'm comparing 9 with 5. The minimum is 5. Okay, it is okay. But PQ dot size is greater than K. So what actually I'll do, I remove this and I add the minimum value on top. So 8 is on top now. It is on top. So I will return 8 here. Okay. Now I will add 4 here. 4. So the minimum of this 4 and 8 is 4. So I'll write 4 here and 8 here. 8 here. So the PQ dot size here is now greater than k. So I have to remove the topmost value k. So I'm removing 4, and the minimum of these 3 is 8. I'm adding 5 on top now. Okay, I have to return this 8 here. Okay, returning this. So let me just quickly check our output with the given output. Okay, given 4 5 5 8 8. So our output is also 4 5 5 8 8. So it is matching with our output. So in this way we can solve this problem. So let me just quickly go through our coding part. Okay, okay, let's look at this code snippet, and I'm actually declaring the variable k here, int k, and I'm declaring priority queue, pick priority queue, priority queue. I'm taking integer type queue here. Okay, let me just quickly initialize the k value here, int k, sorry, this dot k equal to k, and pq equal to new priority queue, priority queue. Okay, now let me just add initial array nums to the priority queue here. For int number from nums, I'm adding the elements of nums to the priority queue. Pq dot add number. Okay, if our priority queue dot size greater than k, then I will remove that element from it. Okay, if pq dot size greater than k, I will remove just pq dot remove. Okay, and now our kth largest call, and now I go through this adding part. Okay, pq dot add value to it. Okay, I have added the value. Now have to check if pq dot size greater than k. If it is greater, then I have to remove the topmost element, q dot greater than k. I remove pq dot remove, then I will return the topmost element, that is peak element. Okay, pq return pq dot peak. This is actually the code return the kth largest element. So let me just quickly run this code. Okay, oh, expected semicolon. Okay, okay, the code is accepted here and the runtime is 1 millisecond. Let me just submit this code. Okay, the code is working fine. If you like my explanation and my approach to solve the problem, please do subscribe, like, and share my channel. Thank you.